Hello, here's an update on my esketit portfolio. Esketit made the biggest jump forward of all platforms in the community voting 2023, improving by 1.97 points to a total score of 4.15, 71 votes. This leads to esketit being voted as the most popular P2P platform out of 30 competitors. In the previous year, esketit ranked only 18th out of 20. With a track record of 3+ years, esketit is still among the younger P2P platforms. Nevertheless, the platform achieved an impressive growth during this time and has built up a good reputation in the P2P environment. Esketit have strong partners, Ava Fin Holding and Capitec Bank, a very experienced founding team, a compelling offer compared to other platforms and reliable repayments, taking into account the buyback obligation that has always been fulfilled.